How to get Starbucks promo code 2024. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you are on your iOS device. Once you are in here, in the search bar, search for Starbucks promo code 2024. It will land you on this page. Scroll down and tons of different sites will be visible to you. You can head over to any one of it. But let me head over to the very first one. It will lead you to this page. In here, you will be able to see tons of different offers, discount, and many more. Search for the specific offers that you would like to take, and then click on use code right beside it. Let me head over to this one. Well, the promo code will be visible to you. All you want to do is tap on copy. Once you have copied the promo code, now you can head over to your application Starbucks and apply this promo code, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can get Starbucks promo code 2024. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.